Newton's second law is acceleration. Acceleration of an object depends on the mass of the object and the amount of force applied. In mathematical terms, Newton's second law of motion states that force is equal to mass times acceleration. Now, we go to the experiment. These are the materials. Tomato, 40 grams. Baby ball, 5 grams. Scissor, yarn. The first object have 40 grams and the second object have 5 grams. Now, we put our finger into the first object and then push. Now, in the second object, push. Now, I finished my experiment. Now I say is, my experiment is like duyan or like a swing, because the more force you apply, the more quicker the acceleration and the mass can affect it. I'm Pablo Lasubal from Bonn, Canada. This is my presentation. Thank you.